Hi, I'm Keith, a technician at USACLEAN, and this is a Nobles SS5 walk-behind battery-operated scrubber. In this video series, we're going to go through and show you common issues that you may run into with your machine. In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the left and right side trigger assembly. It's the same steps for both the left and right side, but in this video, we're just going to replace the right side. First off, tools you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver or a Phillips bit on a drill. Very simple to do. Remove the 3 screws that are holding your trigger assembly to your machine. Now the next step is pull down your trigger assembly, exposing your wires on your switch. Now I find it easier to use a pair of needle nose pliers to pull the butt connectors off of the switch. Now to install your new right side trigger assembly, just reverse the previous steps we just showed you. Install your wires. And reinstall the 3 screws that you took out. And that's it, you're done. We hope you enjoyed this video. Now, feel free to leave us a comment below or visit us on our website at USACLEAN.com, where you can purchase parts and equipment online. If you'd like us to do any other videos on any type of floor cleaning equipment, feel free to let us know. From all of us here at USACLEAN, thanks for watching.